How to sign in to Google Chat for the first time. Open a preferred browser and search for Google Chat. From here, you have to tap on the first suggestion shown, that is Google Chat-sign in. So go ahead and tap on it and wait for you to be redirected. As you can see, I have a conversation here, but let me go ahead and delete this so that we can be on the same page. You should find something like this as well. If you want to switch up your Google account, go ahead and tap on this Use Your Photograph right here at the top. Then you can just select another Google account. Now to begin with, tap on Start a Chat or New Chat option. Then search for your friend email address and tap on it. Then tap on Start Chat. Then you can just go ahead and send a text message to a friend. If you want to join a space or create one, simply tap on Space. Then tap on Find a Space to join. Search for a space in the search bar. Now if the space is on public, you will find it easily right here. If not, the admin will have to invite you. To create your own space, tap on New Chat, then tap on Create a Space. In the space name, go ahead and add your space name. Select an emoticon of your wish and just go ahead and tap on Add. Now tap on Create once you are done. And just like that, you have created your very own first space. To add members, tap on Add Members into your space as well. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.